What's up, fam, and welcome to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we actually have some work to do. We're out here, there's no dirt, there's no mountains. Magneto's back here. So Magneto recently got in a car accident, and he had to get his front bumper redone and repainted and all that good stuff. So they gave it to him back stock. So we figured, hey, let's make a video on the 4Runner chop. Whoever has a fifth gen, right? 5th gen 4Runner usually gets this chop because it looks nicer. It just looks way better. So we're gonna show you what he uses to chop it, where he lines it up himself, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna get the tools ready, and then we'll show you in a little bit what we use to get it cut. So stand by. See you soon. All right, so probably the scariest thing you could do to your truck is cutting fenders, cutting bumpers, because you get kind of just one shot at it. When we cut the Tacoma up, we kind of made a mistake. Paul saved us, and then we were able to install the bumper. So now we're gonna go Magneto. We're gonna chop it. Hopefully we get it correct. This is his second or third try because I think he's done a couple other ones. We're gonna let him tell you what you need to cut it. Magneto.
I mean, I just use a 4-inch grinder, abrasive cutoff wheel, and then I'll clean it up with the sanding. And
then other things you need for pre-setup, you need a measuring tape, some blue tape, obviously safety first all the time. But yeah, once you get all these things, you start measuring. So Magneto, break down the measurements. How do you do it on this side?
I just followed this crease here, and it's like 8.5 from the corner here down, and then 3 inches from this line down to here.
And the reason you cut so low is to save this bolt, you said, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to preserve this one bolt.
Yeah, so basically what he does is measure here to here, here to here, and then he matches this side to the other side. That way the line is all the way across and they match on both sides. And I mean, other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna cut and show you what it looks like as he's doing it.
You also want to there's another bolt here, so I kind of also preserve this.
Okay.
This
yeah, and that's really important, especially if you're trying to get the bumper to sit without it flopping. You don't want to break the bolts, because we did that with the Tacoma. We had to replace a bunch of clips, and then we had to go on the inside and zip tie stuff because we cut off the bolt that actually holds it. So it's kind of a mess. So make sure you preserve those bolts. We're gonna get into the chopping. Stay tuned, watch us. So there you have it. He just chopped up the driver's side, fucking steady hand Magneto, and yeah, that's how it looks. So you want to do like a tight cut on top, and then cut all the way through on the second pass. You go through there. We're gonna clean this up with the grinder and make it all look nice. But yeah, as you see, there's the cut side, and then here's a not cut side. So 5th gen 4Runners just look better when they're cut. So yeah, and it's also you know, clearance like you said. So but yeah, the tape is here just so it's aligned, just for you guys that have never done it. That's the reason we put tape. But yeah, should be good. We're gonna clean it up and we'll show you a final product in a little bit. Tell them what you're gonna do now.
All right, I'm gonna cut this off because this bracket looks fucking disgusting.
Yeah, so we looked at this bracket. He did cut it off before. You lose that bolt, but this part is pretty tight, so yeah, you don't really get any like the wind catching it or anything. This side though is important. Make sure you don't cut that bolt off. So you're gonna chop that off, and then I'm not gonna show you any more video of this till he's completely done, and we'll show you a final product, and then we'll move on to the other side. All right, so Daniel just finished up. He's just gonna take off the tape now and check out all his sanding. But as you can see, it's all nice and clean now. All the excess came out, and the cut should be nice and straight. Damn, Daniel with the straight hand, look at that. So yeah, and all you gotta do is like grab some sandpaper if you want to make it even cleaner. And don't they make the little thing that you can put on here, like a little plastic thing?
Yeah, the little door trim.
Yeah, so you guys can cover that up if you want, but it's not necessary. This looks pretty clean. So but yeah, that's the chop on the driver's side, and then you just repeat the process on the passenger side, and then you'll be Gucci. You get more clearance. It looks more aggressive, and then it looks way doper. So damn, Yeah, Daniel with the straight hands, dog.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad for a rookie. We're gonna cut the other side, and then we'll close out the video and show you the final piece when it's all done up here in front. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, team, so we just finished cutting both sides. Just want to show you guys the finished product. So same cut, passenger side, all the way through, nice and clean, sanded down. I think the wheel on it is a 60 grit, so leaves it nice and smooth. And yeah, more clearance on both sides, and it just looks way more aggressive. So yeah, Daniel hooked it up, killed it, but it's all wrapped up. If you want to know more about his truck, check out Patreon. We do have a build breakdown there, and give Daniel some love. So we appreciate you sticking by. Like, comment, subscribe, all the social media stuff. Follow Magneto, Magnetic T45 on Instagram, and he also has Earthcrawler on Instagram. Make sure you check that out. He's the guy that provides our quad hose kits, so check him out. We'll have a video of that breakdown pretty soon too, so you guys can see what he makes. And yeah, keep it locked. So one more thing I did want to announce, we do have hoodies now. Not this one, because this is that very special cantaloupe hoodie for your boy, but we will have hoodies in stock now because it is getting cold. Make sure you get yourself some. Christmas is around the corner. If you have anybody that likes us, buy them some stuff. We got shirts, hats, stickers, sweaters soon to come. We'll have some jackets and hopefully some handkerchiefs and stuff. But yeah, Magneto also has some gear, so holler at him too if you need any of his stuff. Earthcrawler, turn around, full, show me.
This one's unreleased, I think.
Damn, this is the unreleased one. But yeah, so we both got some gear. If you guys want some extra off-roading stuff that you can wear while you're out there and show us some support, we would appreciate it. So again, we love you. See you next time.